Welcome to Insta-TV. We're back in the Hardrockknife-Method-Kitchen. You know from the title it's going to be a super quick video, so let's get started. These are items I always have on hand. You can adjust to what you have in your fridge. Toddler mom tip number 1, frozen pasta. Whenever I cook pasta, I always make a double portion and freeze the extra for another night. I also use evaporated milk, cheddar cheese, cilantro, some leftover pico, sliced jalapenos, and frozen spinach. First, take your frozen pasta and quickly thaw it out in the microwave. I don't want to heat it up though, I just want to be able to break it apart. Next, put your pico in the pan and cook off the excess moisture. You can use stewed tomatoes or canned tomatoes and chilies, or you can chop up some fresh tomatoes and onions instead. So once it's ready, you can remove that from the pan. Add in your milk until it starts to simmer. I add some salt to balance out the sweetness. So I like to shred my own cheese because it's a little bit cheaper, but to save time you can buy shredded cheese. And I'm just going to add that into my hot milk and stir that in until it gets all melted. So once that's melted, I'm going to add in my tomatoes and mix that all together. Make sure it's all combined, everything's coated in the sauce. Make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. I do like to scrape the sides as well. So once that's all combined, I add in my pasta. And I add some frozen spinach. I'm going to stir that all together, make sure everything's coated in the sauce, and make sure the spinach gets warmed. Next, I'm going to add in a heaping portion of cilantro, my favorite, my very secret ingredient. Make sure that's all heated through, and we're ready to go. So you can plate it up just like this. Just put it in a bowl. If you can smell this right now, you guys would be drooling right now. So I'm just going to add some jalapenos on top. Of course, for my kids, I didn't add jalapenos. You know, it's too spicy for them. And you can omit that if you're not into it, but I love jalapenos. I love fresh jalapenos. I love the spiciness. I love a little bit of heat. So here we go. Made it to the end, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, of course, subscribe to see more videos. Check out the Hard Rock Knife Method playlist for more cooking lessons. Peace, y'all.